subscribe. And welcome to my house. You want to see it? Let's go. This is our lab. And this it don't have lights and food. This is our oven and our washing machine. This is our bathroom, and we have a shower and a soap and a sink and a toilet and a tissue. Let's go to the terrace. This is the terrace. It has curtains on it, so I can wave to everyone and talk to everyone too on the ground. And I will go to. That's done for today for my little sister's house. And let's go to my house. This is my house has a swimming pool and a slide. And this is a couch. Then we wait for everyone to play again. And this is my house. It has a mirror and a shelf, and there's nothing on the shelf, and a blanket and the cover of a bed. And this is a soft, comfy mango. I will pretend this is a pillow, and this is a couch, a small couch, and this inside of it had a small pillows on my desk, and this